Alright guys, so I think I got all the bugs worked out, and I wanted to get it out even though if I can't go get a speed run today. At least want to get the Holiday Buggy out, give it a little rip. I'm going to try using filming technique from RC Play. He did a video on how he does his, so we'll get it rolling. Now I haven't finished the body on this, and this has still got the standard 390 brushed. But we'll see how it goes. A lot better than yesterday. Do all right in the grass. That was close. Alright, you guys want to start it out on the track? Let's go. Why not? Carbon fiber looks pretty good. Not bad at all. See, I got a mess out here. Moving dirt last couple days, then it started raining. So this is really wet dirt, so I can't like sit in water back there. Anyways, back to the California guy. I got something stuck in there. Hey, did the wall. That was awesome. Don't try that. Ooh, that was a good jump. Sticks right on it. That's kind of funny. Runs pretty good. Hope you guys dig. I'm taking it with me on vacation. I'll probably bring, with any luck, I'll bring the brushless upgrade with me too. And yeah, that's cool. We'll see how it goes. Let's go out, big one. Oh, that was awesome. I don't want to do that too many times. We'll do it one more time. One more time. One more time. That was awesome. Well, anyways, I don't want to wreck the body before I finish it, so. One more time. Ooh, that was good. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was cool. That was cool too. You know what? This might not be that bad on the track. That was cool. Weeble wobble. No, I'm not jamming her. I'm barely giving her all the gas. Anyways. While I'm out here, I'll show you guys. We started doing some more on the trailer, or the crawler track. Got some more dirt going. but you see there's some bees in there. I got to get rid of them first. So, but we definitely made a different trail. I got stung 3 times yesterday. Got an easy ramp getting on. I'll finish her up. Got a couple different paths working. Put on some more gravel there. Anyways, back to the California Bomber. So like and subscribe and all that. See you guys when I see you. Peace.